Take a look at this charming colonial in a desirable Monitor Township neighborhood. From the moment you enter this traditional home, you'll be impressed by the gleaming hardwood floors and impeccable maintenance. The home features large purpose-built spaces including a comfortable living room, sizable family room, formal dining room and oak kitchen. There are hardwood floors and natural trim throughout. The basement is finished and offers 2 additional living spaces that could easily support many uses. The private backyard has a stunning deck and is completely fenced. The front porch is covered and creates the perfect place to sit and enjoy the outdoors. With over 3,000 square feet of total living space, this home has the space you need for your lifestyle. Schedule your showing of 3402 Brentway Drive today.